Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about my plans for 2026. The year 2026 is very important for me because I want to make some positive changes in my life. I believe it is good to think about the future and make simple plans. Plans help us feel calm and motivated. Of course, plans can change, but it is still nice to have goals. First, I want to talk about my work plans. In 2026, I want to work more on my English projects. I enjoy helping people learn English, and I want to create more useful content. I plan to make more listening videos with easy and clear English. I also want to speak slowly and clearly, so learners can understand better. I hope more people from different countries will watch my videos and learn with me. Next, I have some personal plans. In 2026, I want to take better care of my health. I plan to walk more and spend more time outside. I do not need to do very hard exercise. Simple things like walking in the park or stretching at home are good for me. I also want to eat healthier food and drink more water. These small habits can make a big difference. Another plan for 2026 is travel. I really want to visit at least one new place. It does not have to be far or expensive. Even a short trip to another city is exciting. I want to see new streets, try new food, and take photos. Traveling helps me relax and learn new things about people and culture. I also want to improve my daily routine. In 2026, I plan to wake up a little earlier and start my day calmly. I want to make simple to-do lists and plan my day step by step. This helps me feel less stressed and more organized. In the evening, I want to relax, read books, or listen to music instead of using my phone too much. Finally, I want to spend more time with people I care about. In 2026, I plan to meet my friends more often and talk with my family. Even a short conversation can make the day better. Good relationships are very important in life. These are my plans for 2026. They are simple, but they are meaningful to me. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye, everyone.